Delve into the heart of Brazilian hospitality with this extended cafezinho recipe. A testament to Brazil's love for coffee and warm social gatherings. Cafezinho, translating to little coffee, is not merely a beverage. It's a cherished ritual that reflects the Brazilian way of life, offering a moment of pause and connection. Ingredients: 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of finely ground Brazilian coffee adjust to taste. 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar adjust to taste. Optional: a cinnamon stick or a few cloves for a spice variation. Instructions: 1. Boil water in a small saucepan. Bring the water to a boil. If you're opting for a spiced cafezinho, add the cinnamon stick or cloves to the water as it heats. 2. Add coffee and sugar. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat to low and add the finely ground coffee along with the sugar. The key to an authentic cafezinho is the use of high-quality Brazilian coffee, known for its rich and robust flavor profile. 3. Simmer. Let the mixture simmer for a few minutes, stirring occasionally. This process allows the coffee to fully infuse with the water, creating a strong and flavorful brew. 4. Strain. Remove the saucepan from the heat. Strain the coffee through a traditional cloth filter known as a coater, into a coffee pot or directly into small espresso cups. The cloth filter is essential for achieving the smooth texture that cafezinho is known for. 5. Serve. Serve the cafezinho immediately, pouring it into small cups. Each serving is typically small, emphasizing the richness and intensity of the coffee rather than the quantity. Serving suggestions: cafezinho is traditionally offered to guests at any time of day, serving as a gesture of welcome and hospitality. It's commonly enjoyed after meals, during business meetings, or as a mid-afternoon pick-me-up. Cultural note: the act of serving cafezinho goes beyond mere hospitality. It's a cultural expression of warmth, respect, and community. It's often accompanied by lively conversation, making it a pivotal social experience in Brazilian culture. Embrace the extended Brazilian cafezinho recipe, a simple yet profound way to experience the essence of Brazilian warmth and hospitality. Whether you're sharing it with friends, family, or guests, cafezinho is more than just coffee. It's a celebration of connection and tradition.